Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix no speakers or headphones are plugged in error on Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to do a right click here at the start icon and go with device manager. Simply tap it and wait until a new window would appear. Okay, so here at the device manager, you need to expand it first and proceed to sound, video, and game controllers. Where here you need to click the forward arrow and select your sound drivers. Once you have selected it, do a right click and go with enable device. In my case, I have already enabled such, but in your case, if not, go with enable device. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So once you're done with the first step, proceed on the second step, which is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, go with the best matched and go with run as administrator. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this window as administrator. Where here you need to paste two commands, which is this net space local group space administrator space / add space network service. Simply post this video so that you can take a note of it. Okay? So in my case, the specified account name is already a member of the group, but in your case, if not, that's why you're getting an error. Proceed on such. Don't worry with that since I have already here in my computer. Okay? Proceed on typing the second. Click on enter and wait until it will be done. So once you're done, close this window and proceed to your button search bar. So here at the button search bar, you need to type for mmsys.cpl. The moment you have typed that, a control panel item would appear where here you need to click on open to continue and wait again until a new window would appear in our screen. So a sound window would appear where here you need to select your speakers, go with properties, and under the device usage, make sure that this use device is enabled. Click on apply and OK. Once done, click on OK once again and proceed to the next step. Our next step would be at the start icon again. Please do a right click, go with device manager, and a new window would appear again, which is the device manager itself. Expand it first, proceed with sound, video, and game controllers. Click this forward arrow, and this time select your speaker drivers. Do a right click, and this time you need to uninstall device. Before confirming your action, make sure that this box attempt to remove the driver for this device is unchecked. Once done, proceed to uninstall. And the moment you have uninstalled your computer, you just have to restart your computer and it will be automatically installed again in your Windows. So check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.